I'm here with Jamie McKendry, and we've got another rod to show today. What are we working with?
So this is our Eagle 822 farmer rod. We actually are gonna call it farmer rod on our packaging because anybody that's a farmer, this is designed for farm use.
All right, because I live on a farm, so why do you call it the farmer rod? What makes it special?
Anybody can weld with this welding rod. The restrike on this rod is next to none. It's the ultimate farmer rod. The Hutterites love it as well.
So it doesn't matter if my machinery is old and rusty and...
No, it'll run on AC, DC. It has 75,000 tensile strength and 24% elongation. So it's strong. It doesn't have the ductility as the other rods, but it's the weldability of the welding rod, right? Anybody can weld with this.
Yeah.
Basically, this is used for all types of farming repairs, just simple repairs on the farm. Anything from gates to little brackets on the machines.
Right. Sounds exactly like what I need. So what kind of sizes does it come in?
It comes in 332, 1/8, 532, and 3/16 as well too. And we do have it in the really small sizes, 5/64 and 1/16 as well too.
Okay. So what are we going to work with today?
Low carbon steel, and this is a 332.
Oh,
and where this welding rod really shines is it is designed for welding downhand.
Ah.
So downhand is usually a no-no in welding. But this here is designed for welding downhand, and with this welding rod, you also have to switch your polarity on the machine.
Okay.
So basically take your positive, put it in the negative, negative into the positive, throw it in your stinger and go.
Is it moisture resistant?
Yes, all our welding rods are moisture resistant. I mean, you can't put it in a wash bay, but for it to just sit out in the open, it's fine.
Yeah. Perfect. All right, sounds fantastic.
All right.
Let's do this.
All right.